Hi viewers, this is Pinachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Exercise number 12.3, page number 236, problem number 10. So the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 70,320.5 centimeter square. Right? Actually, here they given a ABCD is equal triangle. In this whole area, the ABC in the entire whole area is 70,320.5 centimeter square, with each of the vertices of a triangle, as a center, a circle drawn with a radius of equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle. So when the side half only the radius of a circle, right? Excuse me, excuse me. Here the length is AB, so the half of the length is the radius of a circle, right? Okay. Triangle. Find the area of a shaded region. So inside the shaded region, so you can find the area of the shaded region. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, it's very easy question, very easy problem. But here they given only one what it is. Area of a area of uh, please adjust that. This may be a triangle equilateral. Okay, you just adjust it. Now these three are the vertices A, B, C. We should find this region, right? Okay, da. Okay. Listen. Listen. So what is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle ABC. What it is? 17,000 and 500 and 500 300 yes, 320.5 centimeter squared. They given only one. What it is? Area of a triangle alone they given. But we don't know the radius, whatever it is others. But we need to find the remaining sides, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah, it is a equilateral triangle, da. So from this equilateral triangle, here they given a area. So area to side. Will you able to find the area to the side of the triangle? Excuse me. Excuse me. They given only the area of a triangle. We should know the radius. So we all know that the radius is half of the side. So we need to know the side of the triangle. So will you all able to find the side using the area of a triangle? How? How will you find it? Can you tell me? For equal triangle, area they given. So what is the general form of equal triangle area? Very good, baby. So root 3 by 4 into side square. Super excellent. Which is equal to, that is the area. What is the area they given a numerical here? What it is? 17,300.5 centimeters square. Check. Now we can simplify and find the side. Check, okay. Now we can transpose toward the left side. So before when you are transposing, you should write it. What it is? Root 3. Root 3 root 3 value 1.73205 divided by 4. Clear? Excuse me. You don't worry, in the problem itself they given the value for root 3. Within the bracket they mentioned root 3 value is 1.732. Otherwise you can bypass it. Into side square, which is equal to 17,320.5. Next, you should write a side alone, you can keep it in the left hand side. Remaining all you should move to the right hand side. What it is? So 17,320.5. Then now it is a reciprocal. What it became? 4 by 1.73205. Right? Excuse me. Excuse me, daddy. Yes. Okay. Now what you supposed to do? You can divide it. Now side square is equal to, now you should divide it. What it is? 17,320.5 divided by 1.732 into 4. Now you should divide it. What you will get it? Divide it. Cancel by the normal term. Excuse me. So side square is equal to, listen, when you are dividing, when you are cancelling this, you will get 1000. Excuse me, pa. Excuse me. Here 17,320.5. Here you should take only 2 digits, 3 digits is enough. So we can multiply 1000 on the numerator and 1000 on the denominator. 1.732. So it became a 173205, then 2 zeros. Here 7173232. That's all right. So you can cancel it. 1732, 1732. What is the remaining? 500. You just convert as a 500 as a 6. So 500 is below of the 6 da. So we can convert it as 0. Right? We all know the round offing of a number. Round offing number. 1.6 what it is. That is 2. Right? 1.4 what it is. Round offing number. 1.4. 1. Right? So 5 below of the 5 it can be the same number. Above of the 5 maybe 6 or 7 it will be a second number, next number, right? Excuse me. The same way here it is a 5. So we down it. What it is? The same number. So here 1000, 0. So what is the answer? 1000. Excuse me, are you all clear? Okay, wait, listen, no problem. Here actually 17,320.5. So now the point is for it's a trouble, right? So what we supposed to do? We can remove the point. Now 1.7. What will be the answer? Round off in your number. 1.7. Round off. You're supposed to do round off. 1.2 round off. That is 2, right? It is near to 2. Excuse me. 1.6 what it is? That is also 2. 1.5, that is 1 only, right? 5, 4, 3, 2. After the decimal, there will be a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means the same number should be there. If it is more than 5, maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, you should write as next number. That is a round off. Clear? We learned this in a 4th standard. Round offing a number. Excuse me? Okay. Then divided by, as usual, we cancelled here. So divided by 1. So what we supposed to do now? Side is equal to, here side square. So we can write a side is equal to square root of 1000 into 4, right? Excuse me. What is the 1000? What is the 1000? Square root of 1000? 10. 10 into 10 it became 100. Aye. Sorry, 10,000 here. It will come in 10,000. Sorry, pa. One more zero. So what it is? 10,000. Square root of 10,000 what it is? 100. 2. Sorry, 4. Square root of 4? 2. Very good. So we now removed the 10,000 and 4 from the square root side. What it is became a now 200. So what it is? It is the side of the, what it is? It is the side of the equator triangle. So side is, that is AB is equal to 200, right? Clear? So AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 200. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, okay. Now, and in a problem they said half of the side is what? Half of the side. Excuse me. Now we found the side, the AB entire distance is 200. Then half of the side is radius, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. So we can write the radius of a circle. Otherwise, you should write a radius. Radius equal to AB by 2, right? So what is the AB? 200 by 2. So that is 100. So what is the radius? 100 centimeter, right? Excuse me. Any other doubt? Excuse me. Any doubt? Excuse me. Now we found that the radius. What is the radius here? This alone 100. The entire distance is 200, but this alone, this radius alone 100 centimeter. Now we have 100 here also. Now how we will find the area of this portion? When we don't know this area of the portion 1, 2, 3, then we can subtract from the area of the triangle. Then we will get a remaining area, that is the shaded region. So now what it is? Now what it is? This alone. It's a sector only, no da. Excuse me. Hey, are you creeping da? It's a sector. So the radius they given it is 100, 100. It is a sector. What is the angle here? What is the angle? What is the angle? What? Excuse me. Please respond. 60. How you are telling it is 60? Very good, baby. Super. So it is an equilateral triangle. So the degree is 60. So area of sector equal to 60 theta by 360 into pi into r squared. R squared is 100 into 100, right? Excuse me. Okay, now what it is? 0, 0 cancel. 1, 6 are 6, 6, 6 are 36. So 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into, that is 22 by 7, what is the value? 3.14 into 100 into 100. Now you can multiply 314 into 100 divided by 6. Then you can cancel it. 3 2s are 50, 5 2s are. Then what is the answer? You should multiply 314 into 50. 314 50. 5 4s are 0 0 0. 5 4s are 20. So 2 remaining. 1 5 are 5 plus 2 7. 3 5 are 15. So 0 0 7 5 1. Right? Then it is divided by 3. So 1 5 7 0 0 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. 5 3s are 15. Then again 2 3s are 6 remaining 1. 3 3s are 9 remaining 1. 3 3s are 9 remaining 1. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? Excuse me. Okay, 5233.3. Clear? Excuse me. Okay, okay. Now here we have a 3 area like this, right? We found out this only 1 area. So here it is a 3 area. So what are we supposed to do? We should multiply the yes, area of 3 sectors equal to 3 into, better we can keep the same fraction up. 15,700 divided by 3, right? Now we can cancel 3 3, right? Excuse me. Yes, da. Okay. For 3 area, we can multiply 3 into 15,700 by 3. Previous step itself. So we can cancel a 3 3. What is the remaining? 15,700 centimeters square. Excuse me. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Okay, da. Now area of shadowed region equal to area of what it is. What is supposed to do? Area of the shadowed part. What it is? Area of the triangle minus area of the sectors, right? So area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, what is the area of a triangle? 17,320.5 minus 15,700. So what is the answer? 16,000. Sorry, you can subtract it. 7 and 16. So 0.5 here, 20. Then here 2. So 1,600.5 centimeters squared, right? Excuse me. 1,600, not 16,000. 1,620.5 centimeters squared. Are you all clear? Any doubt? Excuse me. I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.